that they have no sex organs and that they don't seem to have any muscle. They're just almost like a frame.
Right.
And they have enormous heads. I mean, if you look at Australopithecus or depictions of, ancient hominids, and then you go to human beings, one of the things you see is bigger heads and weaker bodies.
Well, you see
It's
a
almost
clear
like
progression of evolution,
Yes.
too, where for something like that, I would lean towards a synthetic organism because it
Yes.
looks like it was made for a specific task. There's
Right.
no reproductive organs, so, that almost kind of leaves out any kind of, physical evolution.
Right. Well, that's also our bottleneck, right? Our bottleneck is our biological imperative. The need to breed, emotions, fear, anxiety, all these different things that exist in order to force us into making sure we reproduce. I mean, that's essentially what it is. There are human reward systems that aren't necessary once they can figure out a way to make some sort of sentient artificial life. Some sort of thing that doesn't have these biological limitations that we have.
By the way, these craft, all these different kinds have been reported because it was confusing. I always thought of flying saucers what I heard Bob Lazar talk about, flying saucer, right? But if you look back in history, people have always reported the weirdest shapes. Like, none of them are alike. There are the saucers, but you got cigar-shaped, you got the top hat shaped, you have orbs. Why? Maybe they're serving different purposes. They're doing different things, like we'd use different tools.